Okay, the next one I want to talk about is the year of the dragon. Here is the dragon statue. And little Ken inside Jenny's belly is the year of the dragon. So let's read up on the dragon. Here is this Chinese character. And 2012 is Ken's year, which is this year. Let's say what it says about the dragon. The dragon, being the most awesome and mythical of all Chinese zodiac signs, symbolizes vitality, strength, and pride. Dragon people Dragon people radiate confidence and are full of enthusiasm, but also tend to be blusterly and short-tempered. As a result, they gain a reputation for being a fire eater and big mouth. In actuality, dragons are gentle, soft-hearted, intelligent, and perfectionist. They are good. Hold up, I don't even know what that says. They are good as artists or writer, and are most attracted to the monkey and rat. Alright, so that's what it says about the year of the dragon. And let's go over to Jenny and look at Ken real quick. Jenny! Jenny! So, the dragon is Ken, who is inside Jenny right now.
Hello, little Ken.
What do you want to say about Ken and the year of the dragon?
Yeah, it's August. The weather's cool, but I feel hot all the time. So happy little dragon in my tummy.